Hey guys, it's Stuart here, and in today's video, I quickly want to show you where you can find the file manager here in the Meta Business Suite. Just before we get started with today's video, please don't forget to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. So, to find the file manager where you can add images and videos, we want to navigate over to the left-hand drop-down menu and click on All Tools. We then want to navigate to Manage and look for File Manager and click on it. That's going to then take us to our File Manager area. You can create a new folder by navigating over to the blue button here on the right hand side and click Create Folder. We're going to give it a nice easy name to remember it by, example folder, and that is then going to create your example folder right here. If we navigate over to the three dots on the right hand side, we can click on it, and if you want to delete it, you can. If you want to go into it and start adding images, click on it. This is then going to bring up an empty area where you can select the blue button to add a file, either an image or a video. So to add an image, simply click on Add Image and then look for the image that you want to use. This example, we're going to use an image of me, and if you want to add multiple images at a time, you can simply select images that you're looking for. And that will then allow you to upload multiple images at one time. So if you are running multiple ads or you've got multiple images or videos that you want to publish at one particular time, you can upload them all in one go. To look at the folder settings, just click on the gear button here. This will then allow you to have a look at the folder permissions, and it will take you into the business settings where you can allocate who has got permission to view the folders. So that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget once again to smash that like button down below and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel. And I'll see you in the next Meta Business Suite tutorial. Bye for now.